Yo, yo, yo.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of the RyRy and
And
Nikki
Nikki
Show. If you're new to this channel,
Give us
you
a
know
good
what
like,
to do.
subscribe, comment, whatever you can do.
Do it.
Do it.
So, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today, we are flying out to Florida.
Did you just say, what?
Florida! Yup, that's right. We are heading out to Florida. My cousin is getting married. So we will be gone for about a week. But today has been a day for sure. It is currently 6 o'clock in the evening. We were supposed to be in Florida right now.
Yep, we were supposed to be there around 4 p.m. We were supposed to leave around 2.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just been getting delayed back
all
to back.
Day, guys, all day. Like right now, we were supposed to leave at 2:30. The flight is leaving scheduled to. Hopefully, it stays this way at 9:20. We've had to push back car rentals. Inform my family about it. I mean, we're not gonna get into Florida until about midnight, and we were supposed to be there at 4 o'clock.
So we're hoping it stays where it's at now, but recently, about 30 minutes ago, it
changed again, and we were just about to leave. Like, we were literally finishing everything up to head out the door, and we got an email again, and it is delayed.
But
so
they did give us a free little food.
they give you a food voucher, but honestly, it's like we want to know what is going on.
Yeah.
Like, what the heck is causing it to be delayed? And they literally can't give you an answer.
Is the airplane broken or what's going on?
It makes me nervous. We're like jumping on a flight that can't even be here on time. Like, I don't know. A million and one things could be going on right now, but that's what's going on. So we have a meal voucher, so we're trying to like plan out our night and see what time we want to get there so we can at least use
Grab
it.
something to eat.
Honestly, my nerves have been so anxious to get out of here and get to Florida. I'm like trying to build up an appetite at the moment, but let's see how this goes. You guys, we've been waiting all day. We're like dying in this house.
Yep.
We got everything ready.
Waiting, cleaning. You know, the house is spotless now.
We've organized a million and one things. I feel like the longer I stay at home, the more things I find to throw in our bags, and they are already like busting at the seams. Like, we can barely close them, and I'm like, oh yeah, well maybe we should throw this in there, maybe we should throw that in there. Like, we need to go.
Yeah, for real. we need to get out of here.
We need to leave. But that's an update for now. We'll walk you guys with us as we go through the airport, and then if we grab a bite to eat, we'll show you guys that too. Hopefully they don't cancel the flight on us. It would be really sad if they do, but
yeah, I want to get there tonight.
Fingers crossed. Even if we get there at midnight, we want to be there today. So wedding's on Sunday, so I mean they're gonna cheat us out of a vacation day, which they already have. It's really upsetting, but
well,
we'll give you guys an update. Hopefully we'll be a little bit more happy in our next update, guys.
Yeah.
See you soon.
See you.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to the airport. Ryan's unloading everything from the car. We've been delayed twice on the way up here, so hopefully we don't get delayed anymore. They haven't sent us another update, so we should, fingers crossed, be on our way. Florida, here we come.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we are officially in Florida. Day 1 of us being here. We didn't give you guys an update last night. We got in at 2 o'clock in the morning, so we were pretty exhausted once we got here, but we are running around. My whole family is running around like crazy, trying to get everything done, finishing touches for the wedding tomorrow. So Ryan and I had to buy him some
t-shirts,
like undershirts, you know, that you put under your dress shirt and stuff. So we just got that done. We're gonna head back to the house, and then hopefully here in just a little bit we're gonna be heading towards pretty much the wedding venue, like where the wedding's gonna happen and where everyone is staying and stuff. So we're definitely gonna bring you guys along. But day 1 It's beautiful and sunny here. It's 77 degrees. I just got off the phone with my dad and he said it was like 30 something degrees in Ohio. So we are more than happy to be here. Look, t-shirt, dress, sandals. This is literally like it.
Here we come.
Here we come. Alright. Everybody, welcome to our humble abode for the weekend, for the wedding. We got Ryan ready to go all dressed up. And looking handsome. And of course, it wouldn't be a vlog without. And don't forget, I got my Isabella thing in here too. All dressed up, ready to go. So, of course, it wouldn't be a vlog if Ryan didn't come out here and show off his toy for the for the trip. So here we got our car. I know we vlogged a little bit on the inside already, but wanted to show you guys the outside. You want to give them a little rundown on what's going on?
Just the BMW M3. It's got our little wheels on it and stuff like that to keep us happy. But the interior is nice and comfy. And it's got some power to it, so you know, we're just enjoying our little
trip with the
vacation.
Red Guts. So we are like T-minus 30 minutes away from wedding time?
Yep.
Not wedding time, from when we have to be seated. So we got ready, finished up just in time. So now we're just gonna walk around and show you guys the beautiful house that we're staying in. Lots of people running around like crazy, so we'll try and just make it like a quick walkthrough of the house and kind of show you guys everything. But here's the outside. It's gated all the way back there, so you drive in. This is what you see. Beautiful. You got the lake there. This is like a first living room or something. Nice and big. Say hi to Noah. Here we've got the kitchen. Lots of
yummy looking treats.
Yeah, I
I don't even know what they are.
I gotta stop looking at it because then I want to eat it. And then I want to show outside for sure.
Yeah.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling all right. I'm a little nervous. We're feeling good.
She looks beautiful with her dress.
Trying to be as helpful as possible. You know, setting up a wedding, everyone is extremely stressed out. So Ryan and I are just been here trying to help out a little bit. Whatever we can, of course. Now it's like getting down to the countdown. I'm just getting so excited and nervous for my cousin. I mean, I'm excited for her, but I know this is like such a big day. You know, everything has to be perfect for her. You know, congratulations to my beautiful cousin on her big day. It's just such a beautiful wedding, and I can't believe it all came from my family's hands. You know, like they created this. No wedding planner. I mean, it's just them. So it's such a beautiful experience to see.
Yep.
And I can't wait to get the party started and start celebrating her new matrimony, you know? So excited.
Congrats, Nati.
Nati, yes, congratulations. Hopefully you see this video and we do your wedding justice. We're trying to show the most beautiful parts of it, which is all of it. So
Yep.
yeah, we're excited. That's kind of an overview. I gave you guys a quick run through to the house because I really just wanted to get out here and show you everything. But yeah, guys, we are gonna put the camera down, focus on family time right now, get everything finished up, and we'll vlog what we can.
All right.
So we'll keep you updated.
See ya.
See ya.
You're so pretty.
Oh. I thought you were taking a picture. I was like,
I can get over your dress.
thank you. Can't get over how well we match.
This fish flopping. Oh, there's birds. Ducks. What up? Got me some sangria. I don't know if you can see it, but
Sent me with the apple juice.
feeding the baby some apple juice. So Nicole and I are at the pier in Clearwater Beach. We were headed to get something to eat. What are you feeling, baby?
I don't know. Some shrimp Alfredo is what I'm feeling.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so it's the day after the wedding. And we decided to go out and explore. So, let's see what we get into.
Let's get it. You got he's not gonna mess with you. You got a customer, Nicole. She's afraid of him. So the birds are picking on us today. Nicole is not having it.
No, I'm not.
Anyways, I got some shrimp defrosting in my bucket of water. I decided to bring a little pole to see if we can catch something.
We're gonna try and go fishing. Sorry you guys hear a lot of wind, but it's windy out here today.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's see if we can catch anything. The lady said the water has turned up. We're not exactly sure what that means, but I think she was trying to tell us it's gonna be hard to catch it.
Yeah. But
So-
there are other fishermen here, so
Let's see.
wish us luck.
we can fish till 9, she said, so we got a lot of time. We won't be here till 9.
Yeah, be here for an hour maybe.
Yeah. Let's see what we
And this guy right here, he's really not having it.
The birds in Florida are ruthless. This is Ryan putting the bait on the pole, and look, they're sitting here waiting for him to drop it to try and steal it from him. I don't know. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Did he get it? Did he take it? What? He got it? Oh my god! Oh my god, they literally just they just pulled Ryan's line out of the water. Oh my god.
What do I do?
Is it gone? Did they take it off?
No, they didn't take it. They like pulled my line from me.
But it's in there, right?
Yeah, it's in the water.
So I just leave it in there.
Birds are scary.
Ryan's been like feeding them for free pretty much all day though. He's like, here, go away, and throws food. It's like, there.
It makes it worse.
It makes it way worse. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. It's like... all you. And then look who came back. Heard all the ruckus. He's been trying to steal shrimp from us since the second we sat down. I think we... No, where is it? No way, that's a shark, baby. Look at, he's big. We just catch. You caught a f***ing shark, dude. Ryan, is that a shark?
It's the first time I caught a fish in the ocean.
Oh my gosh, it is a shark.
It is.
It is a shark. It looks like a shark, right? Oh my gosh. Well, you be careful.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh my gosh.
Lucky.
Thank you. Oh my. Yeah, I was gonna throw it back in.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's a pretty day.
I can't believe you just caught that.
Honestly, I don't know. I'm sure it's got some
Come on, if I touch it.
Go for it.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
No, they look the same, but the hammerhead is straight up.
Oh my gosh.
Bonnet has a bow. Oh, okay, that makes sense. They only get a bow.
Beautiful. He's a bonnet head is what they're saying.
A bonnet head shark.
Hammerhead can get 20 feet. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's a little baby.
I'll toss him in.
There you go. Oh my gosh, baby.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's worth coming out from the
Well, good morning to us. It's 4 a.m.
4 in the morning, guys.
4 a.m. Florida time.
It's
Maybe
same
that's the same. But it's freezing in here. Let's leave that noted.
It is cold today, but I just keep thinking about when we get to Ohio at 7 o'clock in the morning. It's probably gonna be 30
Colder.
degrees outside. Yeah. So I'm just trying to enjoy this cold while I can.
Well,
But